So hello guys. So today let's see how we can install Kitten TTS, which is like the state of the art, the smallest model that you can kind of look for on the internet, and it's kind of going like viral in the TTS space. So let's see. So currently I'm using the TTS version of it. That's kind of the mini version that is around 80 MBs and has approximately around 80 million parameters inside of it. So the first thing is to install the package. So here we can see on the first cell, we can just run this cell, and this is going to install the Kitten TTS Python package. And then I'm just going to hide it for now. And the next thing is to load the model and then generate the text that you can mention here. And the voice is currently Jasper, but we can have like multiple options. Like you can see here, we have Bella, Jasper, Luna, Bruno, a lot of stuff. And then we're gonna kind of write the file into output.wav under a sample frequency of 24,000. So let's run the cell. So this cell is going to kind of generate the audio and kind of save it under the file name output.wav, and it's done. And the next thing is to play it. So let's use the python.display audio module to play the audio, and let's see like how does it actually go.
This high-quality TTS model runs without a GPU.
Okay, so it's kind of working really well. And then you can have like multiple customizations available. Like we can kind of change the voice, you can change the speed, and you can even kind of generate the file, like generate the audio to directly to a file, save it to a file like this. You can see on this particular line of code. And then to get the available voices, you can just write model.available voices. That's going to give you like all the voices that are available for this kind of a model. So that's how you can kind of run the Kitten TTS under like minimal number of lines of code. Like it's only like I think 7 or 8 lines of code to run this model, and kind of it runs on any kind of architecture. It doesn't require a lot of RAM and a lot of GPU space. It's like without a GPU. And currently I'm using Colab.